Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing, and right at this home. Beautiful home, brick, but it's a brick that has that white facade on it. And you gotta be really careful with it. So what I did is I used a pump up sprayer for the bottom where it was really green, made a really strong mix to kill that. And normally I got a 5.5 gallon machine. I use an 8 gallon a minute tip. This time I used a 10 gallon a minute tip, white tip, nice fan, and I lowered my pressure and I lowered the RPMs of my machine. So I get a lot less pressure all around. Enough that I can rinse off the dead mold and mildew, but not take off this white facade, which will just rub off if you're not careful. Pressure will definitely take that off. I've seen it happen a lot. So 10 gallon a minute tip, 5.5 gallon a minute machine, and lower RPMs is what saved the day. And then what I did is I did a post treat on all that down there, so that way anything that didn't come off will come off with a post treat, really strong, probably a 4 or 5% mix of bleach. So that way it kills it and I don't have a callback. It looks good. Now all we're doing is finishing the driveway. We also did the windows with my water fed pole, so that way this house will definitely look good. Windows look good for them, and testing that as a possible service or an add-on or just something for the upper level houses. Like, this is a really beautiful, huge brick house in a really nice area of Murfreesboro. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.